Blomstertid nu kommer med lust och fägring stor. Du nalkas ljuva sommar då gräs och gröda gror. Med blid och livlig värma till allt som varit dött. Sig solen strålar närma och allt blir återfött. Du nalkas ljuva sommartid. Det fagra blomsterängar och åkerns ädla säd. Det rika örtesängar och lundens gröna träd. Det skola oss på minna Guds godhets rikedom. Att vid en nåd besinna som räcker året om. Du nalkas ljuva sommartid.
Good morning and welcome to Hudiksvall here in Hälsingland. It's about 3-4 hours drive up north from Stockholm. I've been here 1.5 weeks. Just wanted to show some of the experiences here. I have a lot of energy up here walking in the morning to get some good steps in, because yesterday it was kolbullens dag, a special type of bun or almost like a pancake you make over the fire with just some flour, some salt, water and some nice pork pieces. So we went to a local garden, you could say, or this beautiful house, and they cook it in the background. It was super tasty. And of course you have that with the very traditional lingonberries, these red, really tasty berries that are quite tricky to find in other places. So we had that at the Arnöns bygdegård, a local place here. But apart from that, we've also been doing a lot of interesting stuff as well. I've been out swimming at Mal, a bit outside here. Very nice swimming resort, you could say, or a bit of a beach, if you could call it that way in Sweden. Also a bit other nearby places here, really beautiful. But of course, as always, I had a lot of nice Swedish food. So we actually prepared some herring, very traditional Swedish food here for lunch. Different flavors. You combine it with the potatoes and sour cream, really tasty, and maybe not super nutritious, but one of my favorite meals here in Sweden for sure. Then we also went to a small city called Gnarp outside. We went to a really beautiful restaurant next to the water, a place called liten Sjökrog, and we had the very famous Swedish shrimp sandwich together with some salmon, and then had some fried perch, and also my parents actually had a very nice seafood soup, super tasty. And we also went for a bit of a drive to a nearby city called Järvsö and explored, of course, while driving there, super beautiful landscapes. You have this very famous traditional houses on the farms you see with the red and the white kind of paintings, really classic. And then after that we stopped and had a very nice lunch buffet at Järvsö with some nice pork and some beef stew and a lot of other local traditional dishes. Even had a bit of a, you could say, a bread dessert, quite interesting. And then after that we actually passed by a UNESCO heritage showing this Hälsingland that I mentioned, the red and white buildings. You could see a lot of local handicraft, culture, really beautiful to just walk around in these old buildings, and really fun to see that they try to maintain and keep these traditions alive. After that we also actually drove up to a very high viewing point called Avholmsberget. Really cool, spectacular background as well, looking over the whole lake and the landscapes. Then actually to finish it off we went to another of my favorite places called Hornslandet, a bit of a traditional fishing village out here. You can see a bit of the old sort of Sweden with local fishing. You can pick berries, super calm, relaxing, and insanely beautiful landscape. You're just walking around there, taking the sunshine, people are barbecuing outside, really amazing. So just wanted to show you a bit of what I've been up to here. Also went actually fishing, even managed to catch some fish, but didn't show so much. but maybe next time I can show a bit more. It's amazing to see all the nature. So just wanted to share some of those clips with you guys here. Maybe next time I can show you more, and I'm just out walking here, getting out to the landscape in the background. But if you want to see more of that, give a comment, let me know what you want to see. Otherwise, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.